Tired of endless paperwork and want to streamline your tax filing process? Let's ditch the paper trail and securely register your digital signature certificate, or DSC, on the income tax portal. First, navigate to the official income tax filing portal. Ensure you're on the genuine site to avoid any security risks. The URL is incometaxavin. Look for the Register button, usually located on the top right corner or in the Services section of the homepage, and click on it. On the registration page, select Taxpayer as the user type and fill out all the necessary details, like your PAN, name, date of birth, and address, accurately. Once you've entered all your information, you will find an option to register your DSC. Select it to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to upload your DSC file. This file usually comes in a PFX or P12 format and is provided by your DSC vendor. Make sure you have it ready. After uploading, a pop-up box will appear asking for your DSC password, also known as the certificate password. Enter it carefully. Once the password is entered correctly, submit the form. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your DSC has been successfully registered, and that's it. You've successfully registered your DSC, paving the way for secure and convenient online tax filing. Like this video, and subscribe for more helpful tax tips.